Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can customize the screen timeout on your Motorola Moto G53. For that, you want to go to your settings and then go to display, and now you can scroll down to, where is it? Should be here. Screen timeout. You can choose between 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 30 minutes. Personally, like 5 minutes to 30 minutes are a bit too long. 15 seconds, 30 seconds are a bit too short. I always set it to like 1 minute or 2 minutes, but you can totally go ahead and choose whatever you like best, then set it, and then you can just go back, and then like after 2 minutes the screen will like dim a bit first, and then it will like lock itself. So that's how you can customize the screen timeout on your Motorola Moto G53. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.